Today let's make a thick gravied mutton curry. Hello friends, welcome back to my kitchen once again, Simply Grace's kitchen. Let's see the ingredients. 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoon of chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. And into a hot pan add 1.5 teaspoon of fennel seeds and roast it. Into it also add the coriander powder, chili powder and turmeric powder and roast it until the raw smell goes. So all together we need all these things: the roasted chili powder, 5 to 6 shallots, 2 big onions, 1 green chilli, 2 sprig curry leaves, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon crushed garlic, 1 teaspoon crushed ginger, 1 teaspoon garam masala, cardamom, cloves, 1 tomato, half kg mutton. Here is our tasty mutton curry with thick gravy. Thank you for watching my mutton curry. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe friends, and do try this. Please don't forget to like, comment and share this video friends. Until I come with another recipe, happy cooking and stay blessed.